Hello, I'm Owor Patrick. I'm a software developer and an educator at Tech Education Technology, the home of Kawe. Do you know that 45% of Nigerian students drop out before they finish their secondary school education? And it's not because of a lack of intelligence, it's because of a lack of educational support. And with that in mind, I would like to introduce you to Kawe. Kawe is a study body that is accessible directly on WhatsApp, a platform used by most Nigerians for their communication and messaging needs. There is no extra data cost. There is almost no learning curve. It is just imagined and free and accessible. What are the problems can we try to solve? The problem of a rigid curriculum, the lack of support. Teachers are taught that each student is different and needs their educational needs tailored towards their strengths and their weaknesses. But with a 40 minutes period, this is very hard to achieve. And this is where Kawe plays a major role. And then for low income earning families, Kawe is an alternative for many who cannot afford after school tutoring or access to most advanced state of the art and expensive educational resources. How does Kawe work? If you need a late night tutor, Kawe offers 24/7 support. If you need to be strong on a project, you can speak to Kawe. You can record a voice note in class and play it back, and Kawe is going to give you a summary and explain what it's saying. You can upload the documents to Kawe, and Kawe is going to give you feedback. You can take a picture of what you have seen, and Kawe's optical character recognition is going to kick in to format that text for you and explain what you have provided to it. Why does Kawe? In a situation of low bandwidth where network is vital or limited, you could take a video, you can send a voice note, you can type a message, and be sure that the very moment you receive that limited network access, Kawe is going to get your information and it's going to send you back a response. It has a voice-centric approach, which means oral learners and people in the low literacy region can leverage it by just dropping a voice note and expecting a feedback. And it has seamless access. There is no need for registration. There is no onboarding. There is no sign up. How does this impact the learners? With Kawe, they have better mastery of subject matters. They have increased grades. And as such, we see a reduced dropout rate. For parents, free tutor offering hope for low-income families, and for teachers it starts as an assistant both in class and outside the classroom, so they can be certain that when they give that assignment, even when the student does not understand, they would have technology to leverage on right there, accessible at their fingertips, to help them out the best it can. Now, the next gen challenge is focused on identifying innovations that significantly overcome the existing obstacles, and Kawe exemplifies this approach by transforming the world's leading chat application into a virtual classroom and leveraging AI to support and enhance learners rather than replace educators. Collaborating with this mission, we are trying to make education accessible and supported. Our aim is to reach 1 million students within 12 months, empowering learners on WhatsApp with each message at a time. Now, for a virtual presentation. I can also include images. So for instance, I would include a poem for the OCR. Yes, I'd like to continue. Please, could you ask me a question about it?